All right, so vertical angles. Vertical angles are always directly across from each other. These are congruent. So they make a V. V, V. They make two V's. Now, yeah, there's a reason I'm skipping over stuff, just because y'all don't necessarily need to know all that. When you have this, and I'm even giving you some lovely hints down here. Does everybody see this whole complementary thing? Do you see how I created a 90 from the C? Do y'all see that? That's how you can tell. These things equal up to, that's what their sum is, 90 degrees. What's angle 3? It's 90-degree angle. Do you remember what it's called? It's a what? It's a right angle. And I'm going to just put the little angle degree sign. Actually, no, I'm not. It's a right angle. I'll let y'all fill that in. Okay, straight line or a straight angle. Anybody remember what that is equal to? 180. Now, when you have supplementary angles, that's also 180 degrees. And if you take your S, you can actually create a nice little 8 and use 180. Now, see how 1 and 5 there? See how they make that nice little broad jump? That means they are a straight angle. And their sum is what? If it's a straight line, what's the angle measurement? 180. All right, so if it's vertical, what do you know about their two angles? They're the what? The more you talk to me, the faster this goes. And I promise you, I have a reason for doing this. If they're straight across from each other, what do we know about their two angle measurements? They're what? The answer's in there.
90.
Nope. They're the what? I heard somebody say something. It's not 90, I'll tell you that. And it's not an angle measurement. How's that? What does congruent mean? It says vertical angles are congruent. What does congruent mean? Do we know what congruent means? It's what? 5 and 2 plus 3 are congruent. What does congruent mean? It has nothing at all to do with any kind of shape or anything else. Do we know what congruent means? Okay. All y'all have to say is, no, I don't know. What is it? There you go. Congruent just means they're the same. That means if one of them is worth 20 degrees, if it's a vertical angle, what's the other one equal to? 20. All right, one is worth 30. What's the other one? If it's congruent. 30. One's worth 40. What's the other one? 40. If they're congruent, they're the what? Same. My hands are congruent. They're the same measurement. All right. If it's complementary, what does it equal up to? 90. If it's congruent, it's the what? Same. Complementary is what? 90. Supplementary is what? 180. Straight is what? Complementary is what? 90. Supplementary is what? Supplementary? Hey, it's okay. I would rather y'all be like, it's the same, and y'all be totally wrong when it's supposed to be like 180. I'm telling you, let's make this a little bit more fun. Do you think I want to come here and do like boring stuff all day? No. So, congruent is what? The same. Complementary is what? 90. Straight is what? 180. Supplementary is what? 180. All right. Now, the math. If I know 3 is worth 90, right? That means 1 and 2 have got to be equal to what? 90. Adjacent just means they are right next to each other. Now, could I figure out the rest? Sure. Can I with this point? Not really. Inside of your triangle is equal up to 180. Why that works? If I was to cut this triangle right there and I was to open it and lay it flat. This one right here. If I was to just snip that right there and make it to where it could unfold, it would equal up to a straight line. I could make it a straight line. Some of y'all are looking at me like I've lost my mind. I promise it does work. I just don't know if I have any of my lovely little tools with me. I'll look and I'll see what I got. Just know I will look for them. I actually have some pieces. Y'all played with them a little bit last year. Those 3 things that you might have not played with them last year, depending on what they did to stuff. We used to, in 6th grade, have these nice little sticks that you put them together and you saw if they were a triangle or not. Did y'all do that at all last year? Anyway, if you take the 3 and you unsnap one of the sides, you can lay them out flat. It unfolds. Make sense? So like this piece would go like to here, and this piece would go to like here. You don't have to write that down. I'm just showing you what it would look like. All right. So we're going to take this measurement. We're going to take this measurement, which is what? 90. And then we have x. All you have to do is combine these two. That makes it 142 plus x equals my 180. Bada bing, bada boom, you get 48. How I did that? 180 minus 142. And actually, it might not be 48. In fact, I'm pretty sure it's 38. Sorry. My math was wrong there. This is why you actually work it out instead of trying to do it in your head. Because when you do it in your head, you tend to make mistakes. When it's on paper, guys, you can see, oh, this is where I messed up. It makes it easier on you. Has anybody ever shown y'all that when you have these nice little 2 lines here, that they point at the same angle?
No.
Really? Okay, I guess I get to be the first one. One of my math teachers a long time ago showed me that, and it works. That means this right here is an x. So that means I have how many x's? 2. And then you're just basically regular equation. Y'all know how to solve those. Is everybody good on how I got that? Literally all you're doing is counting it up. There's 1 here, 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. All right. Which angles are right next to each other? Like they're directly next to each other. Like Carson and Adrian are right next to each other. Angel and Aiden are right next to each other. What do you got?
So 2 and 3.
2 and 3 are right next to each other. Angle 2, angle 3. Anybody else got one? They're right next to each other. 1 and what? 1 and 4. All right, what else you got? Y'all want to name off another one? 4 and 5. They're right next to each other. All right. 1 and 2. All right, complementary angles. What does the complementary equal up to? 90. So we're looking to two angles that are equal, wow, if I could talk today, that will equal up to 90 degrees. What two angles, when I add them together, equal up to 90 degrees? What you got? 2 and 3. How'd you know it's 2 and 3? She found that one. That's the only two I see. Okay. What about supplementary angles? What does supplementary angles equal up to? 180. So which ones would equal up to 180? 1 and what? There is at least one. If it was more than a pair, 1, 2, and 3 would work, yeah. Or 1, 2, and 4. What do you got? 4 and 5. All I'm looking for is literally, where is there a straight line where I have two angles that are right next to each other? Is there another pair? Ah, there's another angle in between there, though. Is there another one that are right next to each other? 1 and 3 are not directly next to each other. What do you got? 1 and 4 are not on the same line. They're next to each other, but they're not on the same line. So, is there anything on the green line, maybe? 3 and 5. There you go. Because everything on the purple line, with the exception of 4 and 5, is all 1, 2, 3. Or on the green line is be 1, 2, and 4. There's more than one. There's more than two. All right. Which one is the right angle? What is it? 1. Angle 1. All right. We're looking for two congruent angles. So remember, we're looking for the two angles that make a V. They make that V. So they're directly across from each other and they make a V. 1 and 3? 4 and 3? All right, let's look at it. She says 4 and 3. Does it make a V? Yeah, so that means she's right. That's the nice thing about math, guys, is that literally we can figure out what something is because the math has not changed. Now, does the way we teach it change? Yeah. Are we expecting y'all as a lovely group to learn a lot more of this stuff? Unfortunately. Now, we can figure out what this other measurement is. So if I know that this one is 126, can I figure out this one? What do they equal up to? Those two added up together. Yeah. So 180 minus 126, 54. So if I know this one now is 54, what's this one? 54. So this one's 54. What do these two add up? What do these two add up to? 90. And angle 1 is what? 90. And that's it. All right. Can y'all do this?
Yes.
Is it fairly simple?